And now, we're introducing Siri.
How can I help you?
Siri is a new way to interact with our iPhone just by using our voice. Siri is a virtual assistant made by Apple. It was launched on October 12, 2011. The idea of Siri was initiated by the one and only Steve Jobs.
Find me an Italian restaurant in North Beach.
Okay, these 25 Italian restaurants are in North Beach.
It's like this amazing assistant that listens to you, understands you, can answer your questions, and can even accomplish tasks for you.
Move my meeting with Kelly Alltech to 12.
Note that you already have a meeting about budgets at 12 p.m. Shall I schedule this anyway?
Move it to 2.
A lot of devices can recognize the words you say, but the ability to understand what you mean and act on it, that's the breakthrough with Siri.
Read me my text.
New message from Tony Rivas. Are you going to the party?
Reply, yeah, I'll meet you there. Remind me to grab the present when I get home.
Here's your reminder for when you get home.
It completely changes the way you think about what a phone can do for you.
How does this system work?
The first part, which is very important for Siri, is to turn your sound, so your language, into speech and digital speech. Why is that important? Because if that cannot turn your sound, your speech, into a digital text, it cannot interpret it what it means. Okay. Now, actually, I've introduced here such a little smiley. Let's look in here, and this is the text I recorded. Okay, I will repeat it. I told Siri sent message to Alma. Now, what Siri does, Siri takes this and turns this into a wave pattern. Okay, this wave pattern might look something like this. This is a very, very thin and very, very precise, actually, but this is in a larger scale, which I took. Now, the first step which is done is to cut this into words. And how are words found? You look at this pattern. You see here are some spaces between these parts where we have a big action, so to say. And now, if you are looking at this part, so this is Siri. Actually, this is not this part. I just spoke it for itself, and these are the other patterns, and these are the corresponding letters. Siri send message to Alma. Actually, at this point, Siri doesn't tell you, okay, this is Siri. It just says, okay, here is a word, here is a word, here's another word, here is another word, and here is another word. So it tells me first, in the first step, there are 5 words, okay? And what is then done is it's going through all these words, and this is maybe the tricky part. It's going through all these words, and there are very, very hard algorithms that are calculating through all this stuff and giving you back consonants and vowels. Actually, it will turn all this stuff into syllables, and then you can see that we have reconstructed this text into, actually I didn't give Siri the text itself, I gave only a speech, and this is how Siri turns your speech into a digital text. Now, what does it do with the digital text? The digitized text will be used to find the solution of what you are willing to do, okay? So in the first step, what is done is the digitized text is searched for keywords, okay? And if there are special keywords like send or write or call or something like this, you can imagine yourself, it's a large database of keywords that are searched in your speech and then converted into commands. And now these commands, it's very important, if they are local commands, so to say, for example, write a message to Alma, then your iPhone will recognize, hey, look, write or send are keywords that are local, and actually Alma is a name, and it can actually retrieve this name and give you this is the local database, for example, your contacts and so forth. It gives you this local database and goes through, and you have the result. The command is executed. For example, if you tell, okay, send Alma this message, and then you tell, hello Alma, how are you, let's meet in the club or something like this, and it's done by Siri. Now, you see here something is not very regular, and then we have the right part here too. And actually this is the other part, for example, global problems, okay? And when you have a global problem, for example, you ask what is the temperature in Michigan, while you do not have this data on your mobile phone, then Siri asks, or better, connects to networks, to the Apple servers, and tries to find the data needed there, and then this is the server database. There it asks the server database to give you some information, and then it's linking it to the local database because what you are looking for shall be shown on your mobile phone, on your iPhone, and then it executes the commands and shows you results, okay?
In short, Siri uses our voice to detect and determine its action. Now we're gonna look on what the user's view is on this technology. The first opinion.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. So today I'm going to interview a student from MMU College. As a college student, what do you think Siri has benefits on you?
So I think Siri has a very good impact in my life. For example, I always hear music like every day. So whenever I want to listen to music, I will always refer to Siri. I am way too lazy to type in my phone or to search a song in my phone. So I just like, hey Siri, can I have this song and this song? And yeah, also as a student, I have a car in my university. So whenever I want to go out or somewhere which is I don't know, I will always refer to Waze. And which is, in this matter, Siri always help me because I will always just say to Siri, hey Siri, can you please open this app, and this app. So it helps me a lot in doing my daily routine because it doesn't waste my time. And I think honestly, if any people that use Apple, they know how to use this Siri very well because it's already built in the program itself. So it's really good to everyone to use it in our daily routine as well.
It is clear what she said regarding the advantages of Siri. So thank you Afika for spending your time with me for this interview. Okay, thank you.
Second opinion.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. Today I'm going to interview a Tunku Kusha College student. So this is Nur Akila. Okay, so what is the advantage of Siri in your life as an Apple Distinguished School student? Okay.
So as an Apple Distinguished School, my life is very busy. So sometimes we forget things to do. So Siri can help to remind us. Yeah.
Okay, so how does Siri help you in this kind of occasion?
So I can just tell, hey Siri, then Siri will tell me what I have for today.
So what do you think the disadvantage of Siri?
So as we know, Siri need a Wi-Fi to work. So we as a student, it's kind of hard for us to always have Wi-Fi with us. So yeah.
Okay, so thank you Nur Akila for spending time with me and answering my question. Okay, so I think that's all for me. Thank you.
In this final part, we're gonna show some similar artificial intelligence software. First, Cortana.
Cortana, what time is my lunch with Tony today?
You have lunch with Tony at CJ's from 12:30 to 1:30 p.m.
Hey Cortana, remind me to call Shayna tomorrow.
Sure. At what time?
Hey Cortana, remind me to pick up a bottle of Pinot when I leave work.
All right.
Hey Cortana, play my chill playlist.
Playing chill.
Will I need an umbrella for my date tonight?
That's probably not necessary.
What's my day look like? When's my meeting with the investors? Remind me to go to the jewelry store on Saturday.
Okay.
What time does the sun set in Dominica?
Sunset in Dominica is at 6:01 p.m.
Hey Cortana, remember my anniversary is June 6th.
Sure thing.
Second, Bixby.
Say hi to the new Bixby, Samsung's intelligent assistant.
Hi Bixby, what's on my schedule this afternoon?
You have one event scheduled today at 1 o'clock p.m. Meeting with Pattern Maker.
Change this event time to 2 p.m.
All set. I saved the event.
Hi Bixby, find Italian restaurants nearby.
Here are some Italian restaurants nearby.
Give me a table for 3 today at Luciano's at 1 p.m.
You're all set for lunch.
Hi Bixby, give me an Uber to work.
The fare for this ride will be $21.72. Ready to request ride?
Perfect.
Hi, Bixby. It's run time.
Okay, turning on Bluetooth. Starting a run in Samsung Health, playing Run playlist.